Alright, for this problem we're going to compare two fractions with unlike denominators. The denominators are definitely not relatively prime, so we cannot easily just multiply them to get the common denominator. So let's look at their least common multiple using the ladder method. Put 32 and 80 inside the ladder. They share a common factor of 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 80 divided by 8 is 10. 4 and 10 are not relatively prime, so let's keep going. Let's divide both of them by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now we're not only relatively prime, but 2 and 5 are both prime, so we know we're finished. So let's use our outside factors to find our least common multiple. So if we multiply those, I have 16 and 10, so that would be 160. And the least common multiple of the two denominators is the least common denominator of our two fractions. So 11/32 can be changed to an equivalent fraction with 160 as the denominator, and 27/80 can also be written as a fraction with 160 as the denominator. Alright, now how do we accomplish this? We're going to have to multiply 80 by 20. So we're going to have to do that, back up, not by 20. We'd have an extra 0. We're actually going to multiply by 2. So if we multiply 80 by 2, we need to multiply 27 by 2 also to get 54. Now there's a little trick. If you crisscross in the ladder, you can see that 80 would be multiplied by 2. And if we use that little trick, because I don't know if I looked at it, if I could tell that 32 times 5 is 160, but using our ladder once again, that's confirmed. So multiply 11 by 5 also to get 55. So when we're looking at the two fractions, we can see 55 1/60 is greater than 54 1/60. So in my problem, I'm going to say 11/32 is greater than 27/80.